Hi, I'm Jim Parris, and this is the Divination Palace. The Divination Palace is a scalable, multi-sensory participatory installation. It is a collaboration with Cameroonian Catalan composer, musician, and performer Xumo Nounjo. It builds on our mutual interest in divination practices related to traditional African art and music, and my PhD research into African art and culture. In the Divination Palace, each participant is invited to randomly choose a card. This corresponds to a piece of fabric with the same design, and we then take them on a journey. They are facilitated by a guide and a dancer and a musician, and they engage in a series of choreographed movements and vocalizations, eventually raising these fabric banners within the structure.
The Divination Palace for me is my story with Jim Parris. We met more than 20 years ago and started collaborating. And we started with music. Slowly, we expand on any aspect of what we call in art. I was born in Cameroon. Now I am based in Olot in Catalonia. I have created the music and I also perform in the piece and encourage the audience to sing, move, and participate. The music includes bamboo flutes and traditional instruments, as well as samples and drum machines. We use the voice and body percussion. I lead, and in places the audience join in.
We are pleased to be working on this project with company Chameleon. Anthony Missen has worked to date as creative director and performer, and we will continue to work with him, Kevin Turner, Kadafi Mulula, and other Chameleon performers on the future touring of the show.
The Divination Palace can be presented to a participating audience of 31 and a watching audience around the side of an additional 500 people. The feedback from audience in Olot was that even those watching and not directly participating felt involved in the show, so we know it works for the outside audience.
Amazing performance. It's very organic, amazing and surprising, emotional.